Yeah. I see you outside.
Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. My name is Suday. You can call me SOMI, and thanks for stopping by. So before we go any further, please subscribe, please like, and please share this video with your fellow LOC members. Yeah, so let's get started with today's video. So as you can see, this video is basically a LOC update. I'm just showing you guys how my locks look right now. Since it's been about 4 months I made my last video, and I really wanted to show you guys how my locks look presently. So I did my last retwist on December 4th. Today is December 17th, so it's been about 2 weeks, and as you can see, my retwist is holding up perfectly. As you guys know, if you watched my videos before, you know I do not use any gels in my hair. All I use is water and oil, and yeah, my locks are very bouncy. They have a lot of body and weight. They're not crunchy, they're not dry. I take very good care of my hair. I do not put excessive products. I do not do excessive and tight styles. I pretty much have it like this at all times. If not this, I have it like two-strand twist. So I won't go into my lock regimen or my lock routine right now because I have several videos on how I maintain my hair. My routine has not changed. I keep it very simple and very basic, and as you can see, it's been helping because my hair is so long, you guys. My locks have grown so long, it's unbelievable actually. So I'm just showing you guys a bunch of close-ups all around my head, just showing you how my locks look from the sides and the front and the back and in between, showing you the thickness and the density of my hair, my parting space. I have 80 locks, so I have an even number, and no, I did not plan that. It just kind of happened that way. But yeah, this is my hair. This is my hair right now. I am going to be 3 years locked on February 1st, and I'm very proud of me sticking to this journey because it has not been easy. Cause yeah. Make I show you good times, wanna slow down time, rewind. Yeah. Come here, baby, just one more time. Did you want just one last one? I come to the club, shaking my dread. And secondly, shout out to my skin. My skin has definitely been cooperating these days. The skin is certainly skinning. Okay. If you didn't know, that's made by SOMI on me. Check the description box and thank me later. So that's pretty much it. I don't really have anything else to mention right now. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section. These clips right here are from about 1 year ago, and look at the growth. The growth is definitely evident. Definitely evident right here. So yeah, thank you so much for watching and making it to the end. Thank you for your viewership. If you made it this far, please drop a chocolate bar in the description box. Okay? See you next time. Bye.
Live or die by the shot. I've been trying to win, got me dying a lot. I've been eyeing your friends, I've been trying to stop. This the life that we live or die by the shot. Promise that you'll never leave me, I've been trying to stop. I've been trying to win, got you crying a lot. I've been eyeing your friends, I've been lying to pop. I'm just dying to win, live or die by the shot. Every PM I hit the lot and live in your DMs. Trying to make you my wife, gotta make you my BM. I'm trying to seize the day, I'm talking carpe diem. I wanna see you stay, I'm balling either way. I tried to sneak away, so many drunk exes, drunk texting, undressing. Love you but I love exes, I don't think you the one.